application email sound confident, not arrogant. A strong job application email should communicate confidence, professionalism, and value without sounding like you believe you are entitled to the position. Instead of, "I am the perfect candidate for this position," say, "White heavy checkmark, my experience in monitoring and evaluation and data analysis aligns well with the requirements of this position." Instead of, "I know I can do this job better than anyone else," say, "White heavy checkmark, I am confident that my skills and experience would enable me to make a meaningful contribution to your team." 5 ways to sound confident. Focus on evidence, not claims. Mention your achievements, skills, and experience rather than simply saying you are the best. Use "I am confident" instead of "I am the best." Show enthusiasm without desperation. Say, "I would welcome the opportunity to contribute to your organization." Avoid exaggerated language. Words like perfect, unbeatable, exceptional, and the only candidate can sound arrogant. Connect your skills to the employer's needs. Show how your experience can solve problems or contribute to the organization's goals. The goal, white right pointing backhand index. Be confident about what you can offer, but humble about what you still have to prove.